Tech again. You could remember about the window 11 I updated. I told you I'll be sharing with you my challenges and reason why you should hold on before you install the window. Kindly stay tuned to the end of this video so that you don't go through the challenges I went through after I
subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you are new here, and if you are an old subscriber, don't forget to leave the thumbs up as your support has kept us going so far. Ooh, that's amazing. Let's get into it. Well, before I installed it, I read a lot about why I should not install Windows 11. I was like, well, Microsoft is a big company. I believe before they roll out this update, they would have tested the device, the OS. They would have tested it and ensured that it's of good use before they roll it out. I installed it and start using it. I enjoyed it so much. I love it so much. But when I start hibernating, I start having problem. My computer freezes. It happens to me more than 3 good times whereby I lost some documents I didn't automatically save. I was doing some things in my notepad, so I completely lost it because I had to forcefully shut down my laptop. That was the only glitches I had. But going through the internet and watching a lot of creators online, they keep giving a lot of complaint which I never experienced. They keep giving complaint about the widgets popping up, freezing. Well, the moment I installed it, I turned off the widget. I don't need it. It's not needed. It's just going to consume your bandwidth. Do you understand that? So I didn't experience that. The only experience I had was frozen system. Each time I hibernate and I reopen my system back, which it has stopped because like a week ago they released another update, and I believe that was what it was trying to correct, and I believe they will keep rolling out some updates to fix all the bugs in the Windows 11. So for now, I will advise you, if you don't want to experience any glitches or frozen screen or blank screen, you just need to hold on before you install it. But there will be a time whereby it will not be free for you to install again. So you have to make your choice. But as for me, I made my choice and I'm glad they've corrected it. As for now, I have not experienced anything. So what is your decision? Are you going to install the Windows 11 updates, or you are going to wait till 2022 before you install it? Because there's a time limit whereby Windows 10 will get support from Microsoft. So tell me in the comments section, what will it be? Are you installing Windows 11? Are you not? Are you going to wait? Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Also, share this with your friends and family, as someone might have already installed these Windows and may have gotten a frozen screen or frozen screen, and all he or she needs to do is to restart his or her laptop and it will work fine. And if he's connected, he or she should install the recent update and the frozen screen is gone. I've hibernated my system several times without it being frozen. Thank you so much. Acer Tech will see you in the next video. And don't forget, stay safe. Bye bye.